Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 10 CBSE syllabus pair of linear equation in two variables. In that already two exercises I have completed. This is exercise 3.3. In this substitution method, solving the linear equation by substitution method I am doing. Okay. Fifth sum in that is root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. Root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. So this one we have to do by substitution method. So in the first equation, I will take it as root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. So in this one, root 3y is equal to, I will bring this root 2x to the other side. So it will be minus root 2x. So y is equal to minus root 2 by root 3 into x. So this is my y value. So y is equal to minus root 2 by root 3 into x. This is my y value. So this y value I am going to substitute it in the second equation. So my second equation is root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. So this y value minus root 2 x by root 3 I am going to substitute it in place of y. So root 3x minus root 8 into y value is minus root 2x by root 3 is equal to 0. So now I will get this as root 3x minus into minus plus. So this one is root 2 into root 8, root 2. Root 8 into root 2 will be root 16. Root 16x by root 3 is equal to 0. So in this, when I simplify, I will get root 3 into root 3. So this one LCM I have to take. LCM for both the terms will be root 3. So 1 into root 3 will be root 3. So root 3 into root 3 will be 3. So 3x I will get in the numerator plus root 16x. So root 16 is nothing but 4x. This is equal to 0. So after this, 3x plus 4x is equal to 7x. So 7x is equal to root 3 into this root 3. I have to cross multiply it with the RHS. So root 3 into 0 is 0. So my x value will become 0 here. So x is equal to 0. So this x is equal to 0. When we substitute it in the y value, y is equal to minus root 2 by root 3 into 0. This is x. It is given x. So instead of this x, I will be substituting 0. I got the value for x as 0. So I will substitute minus root 3, root 2 by root 3 into 0. So any number multiplied by 0 will be 0. So my x value and y value will become 0 here. So this when I substitute it in any one of the equation. So my first equation is root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. So whatever number into 0 will be 0. So here also 0. So my answer, this is the checking. So this is the checking part. So when I checked whatever values I got for x and y and substitute it in any one of the equation, the value will be I am getting the correct answer. That is 0 is equal to 0 I am getting. So my x value and y value is 0 and 0. Okay. Now sixth sum is 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. X by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. So now first equation when I take 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. So here we are having some denominator, numbers as the denominator. So that we will simplify. So for 2 and 3 we have to take LCM. LCM for 2 and 3 is 6. So 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9x. Minus 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. 10y is equal to minus 2. So 9x minus 10y is equal to, when I cross multiply this, I will be minus 12. Okay, so 9x is equal to minus 12 plus 10y. So my x value is minus 12 plus 10y by 9. So this is my x value. Okay, so now I will take the second equation and substitute this x value there. So x by 2, x by 3 plus y by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. So even for this LCM will be 6. So in the numerator I will get 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 by 6. So this 6 will get cancelled. So I will get the equation as 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. So in this equation I will be substituting x value. So 2 into x value is minus 12 plus 10y by 9. So this is 2 into, okay, plus 3y is equal to 13. Okay, now here we cannot cancel all these things. So I will multiply this 2 with the numerator. So when I multiply it with the numerator, I will get minus 24 plus 20y by 9 plus 3y is equal to 13. So now again I have to find LCM for this. So when I find LCM for 9 and 1, the denominator for this is 1, it will be 9. So this term, the whole term will come as it is. Minus 24 plus 20y plus 1 into 9 is 9, 3 into 9 is 27. 3 9s are 27. Okay, is equal to 13. So now minus 24, 20 and 27 will be, when I add that, both are y like terms. So it will be 47y is equal to 13 into 9. So 13 into 9 is, 9 3s are 27, 111. Okay, is equal to 111. So 47y is equal to 117, sorry, this is 9 3s are 27, 117, not 111, 117. So 117 plus this 24, when I am bringing it to the other side, it will be plus 24. So 117 plus 24 will be 141. So 47y is equal to 141. So y is equal to 141 divided by 47. So we will check 3 times. So 47 into 3. So 7 3s are 21, 2 4 3s are 12, 141. So my y value is equal to 3. So when I divide 141 and 47, my y value will be equal to 3. So this y value I will substitute it here in this x. So x is equal to minus 12 plus 10y by 9. So this is equal to minus 12 plus 10 into, my y value is 3 here, 3 by 9. So this is equal to minus 12 plus 10 into 3 is 30. 30 by 9. So 30 minus 12 is 18. 30 minus 12, it will be 18. 18 by 9. So my x value is 2. I got the x value as 2. So now I will check in substituting in any one of the equation. So I will take first equation itself. So first equation is 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3. I have to get it as minus 2. When I substitute this x and y value in the given equation, I have to get it as minus 2. So 3 into 2 by 2 minus 5 into 3 by 3. 3 is my y value. I have to get minus 2. So when I simplify, this 2 will get cancelled and this 3 will get cancelled. So 3 minus 5, I will get it as minus 2 is equal to minus 2. Okay, so I got my y value, x value as 2 and y value as 3 for the given equation. Okay, so with this I am completing today's class. Whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.